Welcome to Skilled MBA Case Study Series in Accounting. BaFin, Germany's financial regulator, underwent significant reforms post-Wirecard scandal. Under Mark Branson's leadership, BaFin enhanced oversight mechanisms, increased transparency, and improved internal controls. These changes aim to restore trust and prevent future financial misconduct, marking a pivotal shift in Germany's regulatory landscape. Wirecard, once valued at $24 billion, was a fintech giant in Germany, joining the DAX index. In January 2020, the Financial Times exposed irregularities, but BaFin defended Wirecard against critics. By June 2020, $1.9 billion was unaccounted for, leading to the company's collapse and the arrest of its executives. BaFin faced significant challenges, including limited independence due to finance ministry influence, leading to conflicts of interest. Fragmented oversight resulted in regulatory gaps exploited by Wirecard. Labeled a toothless tiger, BaFin lacked forensic accounting expertise and sufficient investigative powers, hindering effective fraud detection. Mark Branson, former Chief Executive Officer of the Swiss Financial Markets Supervisory Authority, brings international expertise to the Federal Financial Supervisory Authority. Appointed in August 2021, he is the first non-German leader tasked with a comprehensive overhaul to restore credibility post-Wirecard scandal. His reform mindset is pivotal in transforming the Federal Financial Supervisory Authority's regulatory framework and enhancing its effectiveness. BaFin's transformation includes stronger investor safeguards and market integrity measures. New forensic accounting teams and whistleblower systems enhance investigative capacity. Structural reforms have reorganized departments and governance frameworks, ensuring a robust regulatory environment. Key reforms have bolstered BaFin's independence, minimizing ministry interference and establishing an autonomous decision-making framework. Enhanced auditing powers now allow direct investigations into listed companies, bypassing external auditors when fraud is suspected. Additionally, artificial intelligence-powered early warning systems enable real-time monitoring of suspicious financial activities, ensuring a proactive approach to supervision. Staffing transformation has been pivotal, with a 28% increase in staff since 2021. Over 180 new experts, including forensic accountants and data scientists, have been recruited. This has led to a threefold increase in financial crime investigations, significantly enhancing fraud detection capabilities. Cultural resistance poses a challenge, requiring a shift from entrenched bureaucratic mindsets and historical industry ties. Skill gaps hinder attracting top financial talent, as private sector compensation is more competitive. Balancing market growth with enhanced oversight is crucial to avoid regulatory overreach. International coordination involves aligning with European Union frameworks and managing cross-border enforcement complexities. Shifting from reactive to proactive regulation is crucial. This involves identifying red flags before fraud occurs. Poor governance often leads to corporate misconduct, thus effective checks and balances are essential. It's important to distinguish between audit and supervision. Ensuring compliance verification aligns with active regulatory oversight to close existing gaps. Investor confidence hinges on transparency, accountability, and robust governance. Recent reforms aim to restore trust by enhancing disclosure requirements and strengthening regulatory frameworks. However, lingering skepticism persists due to past corporate scandals. Continuous improvement in corporate governance and ethical leadership is crucial to fully regain investor trust and ensure market stability. Ethical leadership is crucial. The tone at the top shapes organizational culture, making integrity non-negotiable in finance. Global finance demands coordinated oversight to prevent regulatory arbitrage. Organizations should reward risk identification and protect whistleblowers. Balancing regulation and innovation is key, as not all financial technology disruptions are beneficial. The Wirecard BaFin case is a comprehensive study for Master of Business Administration programs, highlighting ethics, governance, and regulatory design. It underscores the importance of crisis management in financial markets, offering insights into the complexities of financial oversight and the critical role of ethical leadership in maintaining market integrity. BaFin is enhancing its technology by expanding artificial intelligence and blockchain monitoring capabilities. It aims to recruit private sector experts skilled in fraud detection. Strengthening ties with the European Union regulatory framework is crucial, alongside building resilience for future financial innovations. These steps are vital for BaFin's proactive approach in a rapidly evolving financial landscape. Trust is fragile, built over years but broken in seconds. Regulatory credibility demands constant vigilance and independence, free from industry capture. Accountability is crucial, as reform is an ongoing process, not a one-time event. Regulators must evolve in tandem with financial innovation to maintain integrity and public confidence. Thank you for joining us. For more insights where accounting meets accountability, visit Skilled MBA. Explore our case studies and educational resources. Contact us for customized learning materials on financial regulation. Learn, question, and reform with us.